I think completely different perspectives. They're coming from a problem-solving capacity where they are trying to matrix the quickest way to the problem in the least amount of time with the highest amount of value, which makes absolute sense. But there's a lot of other factors in there. That's why you have design bring in their expertise on the right user experience, so that it's seamless and it's enjoyable. You've got business executives explaining who we're trying to serve and how they would like to be served. And you've got product managers thinking about both the short and the long-term play and how it ties into all the other features, all the other things that are coming or currently exist, where engineers sometimes are thinking about what exists and how we can build on top of what we know and what we have. So I think that can be a challenge sometimes, but again, I think it all goes back to communication. The fact that upper management executives, they all have very high impact jobs, and they're in charge of a very important sector of the company, and they're in charge of absolutely knowing that on an intimate level, and they don't necessarily know what the other executives are in charge of on an intimate level. So when they're competing with other things going on, they don't necessarily always have the insight of everything else that's going on. And again, it's up to you to communicate what other information you have.